Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and you're at the Hux World, and today we're here to talk about the Gears 4, the rumors, the leaks, the speculation, everything that's being circulated around the net so far as the Gears 4 and or the Galaxy Watch is concerned. Now everybody's talking about that Samsung is going to get rid of the Gears 4 for the Galaxy Watch to fully go over to Wear OS. Now, Ice Universe leaked this information, Evan Blass leaked this information, then they took this information back, and now it's back again. And Samsung, yes, they have filed a logo patent, right? They got a logo for this thing, and it looks no different from their logo that they have for their other devices. But yes, there's going to be a watch possibly called the Galaxy Watch. But does that necessarily mean that they're going to get away from having the Gears 4? Now, my belief is that they're going to have two smartwatches, and there's a couple of reasons why. One being, I don't see Samsung getting rid of a smartwatch and saying that's doing excellent so far as sales is concerned. No, it may not be beating Apple, but it's doing great in sales. It is doing better than Wear OS, right? Now, for them to swing fully over to Wear OS, considering where they are now with their status, I don't see that happening. That's for one. And in spite of the fact that they filed this logo patent, doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to get rid of the Gears 4. I think it's going to be two. One of the things is that Samsung is talking about having Bixby incorporated in their smartwatch and not as voice, right? Now you're talking about this is going to be on the same platform with the Google Assistant. Now remember, Google has not yet allowed anybody to tweak anything on their operating system at all, nothing. Now you gotta remember, Samsung's first smartwatch with Google was called the Galaxy Gear. Now Samsung, I think, is going back to the Galaxy name simply because they probably are going to create a smartwatch with Google called the Galaxy Watch. But I do believe that they're going to keep the Gears 4, and if they don't, I'm going to be a sad boy. But listen, all we know thus far is that this smartwatch is going to come with a bigger battery. It's possibly going to come with a blood pressure monitor. They're going to have Bixby, and I think the display dimensions are going to stay the same. I think they're going to stay the same. Now, whether they're going to keep the rotating bezel or not is still within question. I think they will. That would be smart so far as the Tizen side of it. Now, remember, Google does not allow anybody to tweak their operating system at all. Either you're in or you're out. So I don't see them having a rotating bezel on this one, but if they do, then Samsung got a few tricks up their sleeve. Now, these images about the Gears 4 and how it's going to look. Now, I think for the Galaxy Watch, it's going to be a little bit different. I think the design is going to change somewhat. I think it's still going to be in a circular design, and it's going to look good. And I think what's going to happen is we're going to still keep the look for the Tizen, the Gears 4, so far as the rotating bezel and the design. I think they possibly are going to make both watches a little bit thinner, and both watches are probably going to have a bigger and better battery. But so far as Samsung swinging totally over to Wear OS, I don't think it's going to happen. I just don't think it's going to happen. But I would like to know your thoughts. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Do you believe that Samsung is going to actually swing all the way over to Wear OS and fully, and I do mean fully, get rid of Tizen altogether? Or do you think they're going to possibly have two smartwatches, one for Tizen and one for Wear OS? All right, you all, it's just a thought. It's on the table. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you think about this subject. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.